No pastor, no prophet, no bishop, no evangelist can create Satan. Obi eno. But obi eno. Ebe to ku bonsam na ehwehwe. Tete no. Ne na mo ya ade bi. Na isa ndim di ya we man yi ti. E na o man na pisi apen.
Okay.
Afidi ya sure if you be to when nya hweko beku akoko baako. Mo ntia na mo ja na sofo. Tete wuro ya, tete nyembe bo ya akoko force na mo we no nyema. Eduwa ni yeku akoko. Akon no mo de kuna no mo bon paye. Mo man nsuo ma don no. Chire reason ti ago mo ku no afia so. Nti se shunshun boni bi twemu a. Esa sa for body any nti. Want to twi from so. You can create your own images. Bebo. When me how before. You won't say nia, I only me walk ye bi name ye dey say ya dey nko. I tell me before brand. Say so call bosom na aka na ebi si fie ebi si wa akwaji bia ba ne fie a ne dia ne so obi kan na obekọ akwa so on di bone ma shunshun ya oba kire no e na obeye satadua we wrong say haban we obi a opese okasa tumi ba woni wo sola na pa na ebi si mu fitire bia te ba ko na we abra wo kasa obi a te ba ko we ana pa wo beti bebre na wa hata na wa blend and powder anapa bia so like one water na sa titu ba ko bi nunu mana no wo de nom tu asua be 21 days you I bobi wa hu you are bobi de be connected the four corners of the earth, God of south, God of east, God of west, God of north. Na wa bompire to universe na count intentions no bring it on at the tian na be sa plan na ngasa.
Abusia mo akwa the back so much to is message so first time you have me subscribe to this batch no ya no wakai so the door no be found sa no upload it to the first person ya was a big cat abusia ene we saka prophet abena e wo me chewa ba be di enkomo yenkomo ni na ejina abofo ekwan abofo efa so ebo nipa senya wo be ya obehu bofo a kan ho de wo ba asase so abofo abusia emu nchewu no akwapo ye bebre so say the Pentecostals no hu omo de so say the society ehu omo de abofo no kwese ebi eye fallen angels e be den ene ehu so ya eda wo montem we ni nyina ye questions am bi say e che wage so ene prophet wa we sansem say nyina ano e de amaye ntinya botre na etna de media no ku say media no kwawe enkwawe no na watini enye bibi esua e de afimti ka no ho ne nyina mo bi fo akwa ba na fe ye fa komo no enhihye so. Odifo
Mame
mwakwaba
mejeso
bibia boko
obade yankopon adom bibia boko
ya miase na de na yankomo no ejina abofo Bible say wahye na abofo amaye se wo mu ni enimu kan fa yankobo hya asase a ono nyame asiesi bi amaye so ente na yebisa se ebe ye ye abofo a nyame de ne maye ne kwan ben so no befa obetini abo
edi kam ti ahwefo mo hwen sabre me pai won so obade yankopon ye bibia fo aso bisade ma na nse me di yewo nipa bia sani Bible kan wo Matthew chapter 5 no Jesus say obia bofo wo soro that means nipa bia onama wo bia kwana ba wo ko wo ba bia wo guardian in there so no o do echi as a spiritual guide one is all guide no ba nipa bebre nama wo mo experience ahonum say ahonum di wo bachi
okay
but in yen ya bra ba ye boy the program is say so me do echi bia mfinyame that mindset no ama nipa bebre enusu nyama bebre wo mo abrabom e fa na shunshun semo because say so be to me possess you be na difo be can say e mfi e monia shunshun difo ni ye bisa e bisa say e shunshun papa ene na be bo nipa no ma na brabo transform and I say by say be say nipa na brabo.
okay
Nti ni ye bibia ni a four ranges ye na da bibia ni pata kan de convince ni person difo be say oh nyame bofo no dan we di kire me na adwuma me ye no nyame bofo na me de nsem no soma no mo de ko e ma me a obaka say wo abofo de mfinyame e ye four ranges but ade bi e wo negative bi e positive
okay
when is that
na say the cross fallen angels so
see So we shun some we di for na why on some kwechira. Blame shun ya wasasi so. Only time ko aba ha so ko bo paye ti abonsam. No pastor, no prophet, no bishop, no evangelist can create Satan. Obi eno. But don't be eno. Abetu no ku bonsam na ehwehwe. Mpa bo bi eno. Beyi show be the way to make ku beyi. Me tu beyi ni nya na kwa.
Ye tu be
tu nya na kwa.
Say ye wo ke o say ye wo
aya oba sorry. Listen nya na kwa.
It's no ya na ye no mutu.
Ma mi tell ade. Say o kwa sorry, na deliverance for bi. Na nipa ne se sunsun kasafa no. Na ye bon pa pie ko. Say nipa ne tro ne din try na picture to. Next revival mo be no. The same deliverance be safa. The same person now. We two man. Obasa afa no a. They sunsun na asan akasa.
Oh, no dey say before Bible no crack say hohum ni pie kwa. Omo kokko chinchin so manya baabi a nkwa mo san ba baabi na mo wo no be say kwan da ho a. Ogba no go say kwan da ho pro say yenya na wasan ko fred dom do bia kan ma betlem. Nten dey bia nipa no say ye pie ko no wo kwa. Na hohum ko ni pie kwa. Ebia na nipa no wantini anye na bia o say wodi siban say hohum ni tin san betlem.
Why now so chere no yes ade ni siban. You know, adekwama nipa lusu no.
Okay.
So wo sunsun bi ti obi no. Na ebi niya. Nti no me ma bom mpae ama wetu se honhom. Na me gya wo tra. Fa so bi eni so.
Bibi o ho ma ya na wo se nya brabo pa na wo se wo hwe se wo tutu akwan yi ko ye bibi e boni bi me kan wo ni ade no. Enya no ano no.
What is also of ma me ni obi anyi mo ni kunu ekida. Aya ti antina no. Antina ma me fe ne ohini ni. O di aya ti o. O na ba ti sense bi.
Okay.
And so on money.
Say me dey make say nipa na ni su.
Nipa ni su ba. Oni dey dey nipa ni ro ya be yi. Be yi ni wa tin se sen yan. Wọ́n wà ní ẹ̀fẹ̀ bí yìí.
Odi fo ere ya.
Ń jẹ́ ògbé yìí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ yìí, òbí ẹ̀ pẹ̀sẹ̀ ní nkùnyà. Òbí àdé ń sọ ni. Ìsọ òbí àdé ẹ̀yẹ ní di akọ̀ àrùn ọ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀ àjì. Sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yìí ẹ̀mí bí nínú.
Ntẹ̀nyẹ́ hóhùn bí a ẹ̀sọ́ ànàjú bí ẹ̀sẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yé de wà sọ́ ànàjú na wọ́n tu yẹ.
Àwọn ọmọ no ebiri nipa ni su akyɛ but nipa ɔba nkasa mpɛ no korɛ nti ne de bia no ɔbɛka kyerɛ sɛ wonam challenge bi mu a bɛyie bi agye w'ani nyam bɛyie bi ɛna ɛyɛ wo bonsam bi ayɛ sɛ nti ɛma no korɛ sɛ woka kyerɛ nipa sɛ baabrabɔ a ɛbɛhyɛ nyame ani no obi ampɛ sɛ ɔbɛka because as far as a yareɛ bi di wo nya ne deɛ yɛbɛnyɛ obi di ahyɛ no wɔn yɛ te abrabɔ no bɔ yɛ adeɛ mmienu. You will negative life now positive life. You will be one abroad no di ni kwenu totin onka obia. Wo be kan wabo. Yawo Yesu Luke chapter 2 verse number 20 to 25. Bible say yekumembro no mani ndanku de ba for re man. Ya for boben. Okay. Oye Jesus o. Bible say bo for no be say ne ma me nkom. Abra na ne papa. Mere na obi ye business wo be wa anu kran. Ono kra ohu but bofo tum be say ne ma me nko ani so ya wo no Bible say you ko we mo na ni dam ku de ba for dem na edu be du abrabo mo o she ma mo ja sofo ko asase ni so bi titino ni na na mo ya bi me say ni bi ya we ma yin ti e na o ma na si apen afidi assure if you be to one nyashi ko be kuma kokko baako ni ntia na mo ja na sofo titi wuronya titi nyembe boya kokko force na mo yo no nyema titi wuronya
kina kokko se we di be kunu bronya
o shada is nye kokko na wo ni na be saka kana na wo na fi edu wani ye kuma kokko akon no wo be kuna na wo bon paye woman man is show man no chire reason ti awu ku no afia so nti se shunshun boni bi twemu a esa sa for body ani nti won tu twi fa man so ya meka kire Israel fo no mo nko aso so bia nkum dwan ba onfa ne mogya nya ahyense de e wo ne mpoma wo mo ya na wo man ya me na tumi nya ya de dia so shuma wo bo fo ma na be twa fo man bi so a ada na ya me nkaza me me wo mi tete ya nti mamo wo kwa me mfa ho no to be share wo se wo nkum dwan no fa ne mogya ne ma ka wo mpoma no du baby a se ya rebi di ni penyachi ubetumi ato dwan agina ho na nipa na hwodwan no wa kahye wuso asrese dwan gina yare ya no munya na to dia dia wo kra se sani pakra ebi be ya ba be mu ya den ma no o tie ni nyamende no nyamende se wo di kurama Jona o presenti gani bi ma so fancy san le ban kra afolbody e be na wo abra wona e bono ye fa eni wu do shin ye bi ni pe bi o shunshun e bi wechi ye kono ye meka ni shunshun ye ba na namfo ye meka na bofu because ani na Kristo ni be ji atu because nyamshum enya hunem wade ye se ne ye hu no ye full of rituals. So I saw that we couldn't move about the cars I can see able. You walk nipa bia wo magidin actors ni ade bi o mo about the spiritual fathers what kind of spiritual father this you know secret divine and the spiritual father be structure.
Okay. But the phone so ka say nipa bia wo ne bofo It's my sin besane say ye beye den ye bofo no.
I'm sure from Monday to Sunday and the common. But from Monday to Sunday above phone. And the no problem. But about your personal guardian angel now and the most spiritual father not sure how I'll be invoking.
Oh, okay.
And the angel with him.
Say Yameka so the above for Kaya who na ye but I know this actually die invoking. And son above for no kind of honor to me.
No, I cannot would do it what ye into soon in men. To basically say, do it what ye now soon or panon pet.
Okay.
Abrabona offer normal. Many be me over to Uber pin is a weapon. It is a one person personal guardian angel. We, any corner yet deep on so easy. Or nipa baso woman na onya de easy on value.
Okay.
And you say what the for processing. Na time and is abe kan no. Those idea me bre ansa na me enti me make sure say me nyama basa. Upon Monday to Sunday above for na. Any the obiani. Majority of Ghanaians ni Sunday above for a friend Michael.
Sunday dear.
A friend Michael.
Okay.
The spiritual number number 1. Monday above for your friend Gabriel. The spiritual number number 2. Tuesday above for a friend Camel. The spiritual number number 9. Wednesday above for a friend Raphael. The spiritual number number 5. Thursday above for your friend Sashiel. The spiritual number 3. Friday above for your friend my boy Thursday. Thursday Sashiel. On no is cover for. Thursday for one Thursday above. Yes.
One is cabo for
Jamadi ya.
Ya na skadi ya me.
No ya bi ya no baso. La no mamo.
Odi for me ne ya ne mo so ne is cabo for ne de ne ya.
I know you know. I know asemka. Okay, ya kwe.
Friday.
Ya go Friday area.
Okay.
Honestly is cabo for sa.
Friday dey.
Yes.
And is cabo for me mo de mo to che.
And Saturday ya Castel.
Okay.
I'm sure what you. Hey, Friday spiritual number 6, and Saturday spiritual number 8. This spiritual numbers, they are your own. Say they want no. But money say mobile money code no. You should this number ma kumbrim. We are Sunday and make sure code no one in brim. We are Monday and make sure so code 2 brim. Bank account. Say any day say bank that did no man mo be mawa. Opa from India my boss check say this number is woman. We on Wednesday We are Tuesday, make sure 9 with him. We are Wednesday, make sure 5 with him. We are Thursday, make sure 3 with him. We are Friday, make sure 6 with him. Now, Saturday, make sure 8 with him.
Okay.
This normal is we day born or spiritual normal. Okay, let's go. Day born one because I can't represent him. Saying I may never so one the yes, a horn of spiritual father may be doing personal guidance. Obi or and soon made me if you show. Obi if you are booting, Obi if you win, Obi if you famine, Obi if you win. Above one now, it's in a nipple be a devil your element. It is Sunday form kuteja. Monday for kuteju. This is a Monday one. Now, Yaman far. And then I was away, and we shooting.
Odifo.
You know what?
Odifo kaka se be se ni okwa enyeta. Enti ye wo bo switching spiritual number we make sure say bi wo mama money pin mu ni ade color what say represent so e bia e be kwa kudu bia ni kikura what say wudi ni ade we ne bi say say na so sorry for mo chere ni say mo ma bra bo ne complicated
obi eno we di a onye chiwade me prophet Adona na make chiro odifo bi enu ho a we di e wo yenya sas Ghana name them only ade only
ebiem ekoba ne say ase yi se mo ma bra bo na complicated ne to nchen ya
yen kwa na ma simple
ebi so chere say mo ma ade ne koye say ebia koye bosum bi di manipa no
ere ne bosum
instead of so bebo mpaye dia che nyame no we na adwe fi nyame so wo de kwhye kala
Jacob tu kwan Bible so ni ti to wo so say nia before you say sa ade bi si wo na wotwa moja gusu dia ne ye bosum right say ye ntire bi ntire asem no Jacob tu kwan but ni ti to wo so no dash me wa Bible so that we for
abofo
no mo ye den
omo fu
sane
okay
and then I can't to obo no so oni bo no kwa pam Jacob oni obo no kwa pam so no shine ba ana wana kwa pam dia no so eboso di Jacob so all critique boso di e ba boso so dem kwa Jacob ni bi say then na fa abo listen you can create your own energies bebo when me how before you won't say near I only may walk ye bi name ye dey say ya dey nko anta me before brand say so call bosom na aka na ebi si fie ebi si wa akwaji bia ba ne fie a ne dia ne so bi kan na obekọ akwa so on di bone ma shunshun ya oba kire no e na obeye what was it wo na wo pedalete wo na wo de umpai gba akade ko shunshun nani na akwa kire ne so onye sei ma obeye na onye we di jina Yesu the joke of Bible say or the ngugu bo no so ne kwa pam says so come bebi asomdwuma or to wodi ndedo dan kofu bebre nsoro so nti ese bibini bia trim she bosom kunipa bosom she ya de ni se bi sinifia na wakwaji bia onko na nimi nko bo mpa ni sa ye die da no be ko na nimi akọ bia so onko bi ma no obi obi ne prasas akotwa ko and now you BBS a negative for Africa, but we have the positive energies give it to their boy. On my near yam, the book of Jeremiah, on my near yammy Yamiban and Nanti will do. You saw a master of the two brand of the Shimode. Yamashum, you will never Yamashum. Unami Yamashum, per se, Katashum, Yamashum. You know, about attacking the spiritual way is the enemy evil, but you are showing your go to Bible. One go to scripture. Psalm 110, verse number 1. David said, the Lord said unto my Lord. Psalm 110. The Lord said unto my Lord. Lord obey. And now catch the Lord obey. I have a clear and say, I shall for a shame, obia and be non kind. The Lord said unto my Lord, sit thou at my right hand. Nyamibi catch any yam say, on Tiran. Yamba no catch any yam is on Tiran. David, someone tell me, open card the book of us, David and Poem, not in Yaminche. It's Yamida no catch any yam, be said, or catch a David, sir. On David in Tiran Yaminche. Shushu may do it here, over Brewa. Abrabonable, the info you knew who she knew. And I want Tiabra by Sarah Bobrasa. Yamisho, I know now. Yes, go to me feeling, but in the team from the minute to feel fry. And as you say, you are the night in time. Say, can I Libranaba? Okay. You baby, the baby repair baby. So be a head yak come walk much. A flower binding colam colabody. Would be a area not to dim pan. I would make Sinabre. Wow, wish me, Moncope in Darm. Now, what they are now quite a monsieur and bread. Within the prophet Adona. Oh, Adona Power City. Nayanshe, Yamitu. Colam colabody. And that's why I was so kekekekeno. We are a friend with Saturday. Okay. No, we are a friend in Canibia. Saturday we wrong. Say, Habanwi. Obia or Pesa or Casa to me, but with me. O shall run upon a decent future be a tobacconary. A brown castle beyond tobacconary. An apple, betting the breed. No hata, no brenda and powder. And a papia shall I one more than a sati to Baku. No man. Eh? What the num church shall be 21 days. I will probably connected the four corners of the earth. God of south, God of east, God of west, God of north. Now one vampire to the universe not count intentions. No being it on the tian. Now it's our plan and gasa. When they say you die, Melco Bonnie free. What shall I be at tobacco for 2 luminary? What tobacco for 2 luminary? Yet you are 21 days. Now the if walk on stay down. O Casabia, pa Ubacano, say Papa Atro, a Boniatro. Let me see the man. Okay. The same say how bad we is where you will be a young boy, will be a yet to withdraw. What they say be. And a maybe about that figure. Would drive your kitchen ready so man above 4 years at any few crash. Yana Shadi. One, Nipabia will cry each one day. May come only the days from Monday to Sunday. Per positive. Okay. O cry each one day and Mama, ya will say, they name is a wood. But oh, Mr. Chebuwa, who try to win a tip. Now practice about wow and then walk. Okay. One. What you one day. With the Adam rabbits, then deep it female computer. Shoes man are both for presented them, na crab one. Any Adam. Me prophet I don't know. And to say, who they will bush you, be a Ebony Africa, a be a brady, be a corner, be a beer on a bushia. Okay. I will be a will say, a bushia chiami. A sinner champ, Manashu. I represent a bushian. When the way deep that we ye the double form. Udia, Mena Mekacho. Abrabona was one Tiabra was a Bobrasan. Oh, first and Yamayu. Oh, let me go to buy one shoe. Missy Kenya, Bashay, and me fear before you fear before. So, who know who I want to know which one they know more pedia. Who be careful, Abrabum. Yabia, now the best show. Was the way who is one cast out of foot one at the gym. Now, because will be a piano at the gym, no one I don't. Who say, and then Yam Shona should do one acquire, who fear Kunga, who fear bosom, and I come one made different, but I want to go to deep spirituality. Say, a man who different, what batter, what deepest rent, you don't have time to go and blame those things. The solution to the problem for the person, that's what we deal with. Okay. Nyakoye machimbe ye no pastor, no prophet can destroy them. One so one rest. Sana nyamya yom. ahomo saa na eye group obi a woni le nti wo a mo so dwan ni Yesu ebusua ana nyame ebusua di wule mu na hu mu ade ye na present na ball no ban na we si dan na hweso ma me ni antu otu embubu engoma wanjo dan amoso
okay odi for sabe wabo kada no wabo Monday eni na chiwade enti ye fa no aka mbubo so telto ni aka no na afọ wi a me question na to ko say ye hwe Orthodox churches na womo say say be Yesu aba wabewu e de age ye nkwanti no enema we nyina no say bia wo kire say Monday born eni adanko ni ade no wo de modya na beti bibia ho amaya me yitilidi e na fe womo so no hu e wo kwan wo fa so mo hu abofo no mo womo fa abofo abekire Orthodox churches they say Presby Pentecost Methodist sorry na yenimu no womo de Yesu Kristo e ba no nei asofo ye hye nkomya bo say do sofo ne say bofo ne ka kire no say bofo ne say eni mo susu sorry sofo yi mo ya sorry mo say bofo e de ye adwuma ne say ye compare this fallen angels na ya na susu sorry sofo ne de ye adwuma edifo e hye nkomya mo ka bofo no enye nyame kan no mo de mo hye nkom ne mo me fallen angels ne bi and one more motion complaint. You can't have a baby commission now.
Revelation chapter 22, verse number 16. Revelation 22, verse number 16. Obiambi in the Bible. Where NIV. I, Jesus, I have sent my angels to testify unto you. These things is the church. I said, what's my
Number 4.
No, but me, I don't make me quote to Old Testament. I want to quote the New Testament. When you talk about the angels of God, also time, Misha. I will give you scriptures. After Jesus Christ back home, I won't from the year Chuma Woniti. Paul Nicholas. Over you.
Okay.
It was and there's some of us were following this. Yamashume Yamu, a Yeshushu. John chapter 4, verse number 23. When young open or Yeshushu. Indeed, who say your 5-4 ministry, you will be under Eugenia. But I quite say, pastors, they are always preach against the prophet. On Tishushu in Yamasi, the Freddy game to the church. Until the others of the show, why you won't church. Say, where and I lay in time, Mr. Where Holy Bible, Tiana Shokanya. Bible will be our kinds of kind. It will be for Bible believe. That's the reason why we quote to every Bible in the Yama, Nipebi or Shame say, so sorry for you, sure, for say they've been one more year babies Christians, no. Evangelist from getting now one more bar system, one more tiasino. I want them to read, to know that the 10 are ye. So solid for beer and carry us to go to any direction they have by me our mighty book of mighty or go to everything. Bible is maybe we are never inside. Let me see what BP and look away. BP yet go break go lady heal BP. And he said we withdrew. I beg your command me to the way a card you secretary, wow pressure, agent at 2 and then muffin or pressure me to yourself. Okay. Then where Holy Bible, see Revelation chapter 22, verse number 16. Revelation 22:16. Bamjo, wow, in the Bible 22:16. Yanko, and when did the end what's it? I, Jesus. I've answered the same thing. I've sent my angels. It is a soft one. Who shall now what thing? Who you before? Who Gina and me? As of one mobile prophet, I don't know. Already catch her. Yes, you see, a shman above you. Who should say? Maybe the falling engineer.
Okay.
It is a president, Ashman, and minister. About your radio, I say. So the president no issue. Or sworn above according to the last book of Bible. Revelation chapter 22. And chapter. And when and the son can go 2 feet, the African Bible media. And the son in that inca. social media share so by because bibi ni kura no nim say your Bible be e friend the African Bible and the African Bible match the prophecies of Africans na ma trust say ya wo once you continue to go do you won't so that by a trick bi na ya to am e say me your Bible way from Revelation to from Genesis to Revelation everything is in this Bible but other scriptures are anyway kind of nti eba no Bible believing church now when we only having this Bible 66 books say na Bible believer we 75 with other scriptures ayeye fu we na ye kon di so for you kuta deep books yes Bible where Bible from Genesis to Revelation everything.
Yes, someone I am used to the book of Moses, 7 book of one. I say, okay, name for key spirits and the time.
What time?
But we bring this so.
Don't be shy. You go away. Guess I say we can hear you. Nindia me mind. Joshua chapter 24. Joshua consulting him. Bible saying, "I make catch them. Only I make catch us. On for kada pita. Any chance? On for kada pita. On for pota ebo. No fun share. No for one to show. But ya quantity. Before many before so sorry for me the kada ko jine show my then on make catch them. And I make. Before show so. Your friend Gabriel or you show so before. I didn't think I knew no more conform no more kwa. Kradafita na be what the consume.
Before send your
you do 31st night obi a white or the white na present one.
Okay.
The case ye chire nsem a.
Na yam.
Hwe misi mu de o bia wo de wan nantia bra tobo. Eshushun solo different. O kwa tobo ase. Me rashi. For han ko tu. No obeyi de baako. Yeah, emu beska for one misses no posu so intro. Memu politicians are on background, one yam branch in Baba, one man who goes so ya, 1 yam of when ya papa won't come 1 year again, 1 need baby agina. Where so father flow? She.
Odi for Saturday in ye did be home come have a did come but Jane so what can one.
Wa pam bi wo obuhwe ebuhwe na yanwalu yentu kwan wo yanwo ti se wo hia be ma papa acha wo ne be wo fe no kronfa wo se nkofo ebuhwe na sikeni odifo bi se obatu na ebuhwe na sikeni oba mpenifo chance say nti na sikeni o se on pene o ye fast we ni tie fiase if the thing is so simple ko bi eni hawa asase so wa pam da obuhwe na ni bebe wo sie wo nana no ko mo sie wo we jende fitawe ay kwan o de be ya na de akoso no wa che on pai bobi na de abo ebuhia no yedie ba be kutaw ebuhia bia yedie wo bebu na de bibi na kwasan na tena yedie no so na take over wo ko course apam ni wo bi sore na dan kwajiska no na nya ba mo gine chire
and so we kura
pedi fo no jiska ne mawo
okay
oh
simple kura
ni no ben pen kura and na ha dwu nyam shun nti no hye ne shofo ni shunshun dwuma ye mu ni die na akoye mu kne brofo a yo ka kasam na bakosam a kiro adabwa ebe tag ni so no mu mfinya me but ono mu so be die ki na ma we waste about tea na me we say time na obi a waste yare wo de wakwa prophet adona so nye binu no ma ebe tu ase we dream services obi a wo da wo so da ye nye binu no ma so nti ada so ni wa bebi na we stroke about obi a stroke akalato na obi wa san ansa chemi obi wa so dwonku nye binu no ma ebe tu ase ma ayar saba na we diabetes about so the type 1 and type 2 nye binu no ma so nti ayar saba we ba Catholic dompe sciatica wa wo dompe me ha wo was mi kotodwe me nice ise twetweme masra sintin twetwe me the spinal cord me ti fa dwa me nye bi no mo so ntia yare saba one thing say me nton aduro mi sa yare afefo madaroma where healing body at show power activation and a PT2 nye na ewa weki okran eyi hu fi mu na we friend back to send about nye bi no ma eboa ma woni nche eno asa be babla papa isi obi say odi bibi egu akotie ma wo be kọ aba ahye nyame die mi Bible ni hye ndi bia ba fa ne ha ansa yare nya yemfa ye ni do hye ye ni wo wa pebisa ye e wo hyebre na ne be bie kwan ama nyama sure otu be di Israel hye ye bisa na ope akohwehwe ne papa mfumu ana ne papa ne ntwi na ma ni hyebre ekosisa ne hu kom hye pi nikuta haba we do bia be kese o ye bie dwan achafo haba ena eme ena nubu sa ekukudam won sa haba we na tetefo no na obi wa na yetwa gu ni so se na esi awon se ya no mpro ena abofu be hu yidi we ya no ye smart wo ko fa fridge brain fridge so wo du shempe na ama okra no se atayis no e oshunshun duma bi wona wo ye na obi wo wa bibie si ofie na ofre nipa no wo twe ne kra no na ebushia na bisa ne ekoso ya oba no se fridge na modem ko se mahame mama me ntumi yes so duma enye kwan wona ewade ya me hu ye mobo but say aba wo wa wo di bebia na ayeka wo di bia na ayeka emme menu achampo kabo siwa do drum anaju bia from 11:30 ana 12:30 ana 1:30 fedware nada hwada isu ya beba o tware na da bompa ka che okra ne se ne na mso abobra nko onim no onyi nkire na da na hwade
okay
abrabone bo ye fa eni hu do hye ne di yare bia wo de wo ku ana abrabono se ade bia do do se be kana ajibu se ye awaresem edwuma akwentio anything awawo pemempe me did the prophet Adona no normal na that screen so between from 0545 979787 o friend here o de mayedi ko
okay
na me fa say wa dream say wonna matiti ni jojo ni apelisie bi mu a o kopo bi yoyo o pe kwanya obefahwe a abrabo ne betane
okay
na me hu odifobia o ku social media si abrabo ne bo ahye na wa bo bransan na ne yemfa ye ni do hye ye ni ogwade yankopon hye obi bia na pe ban mo chiri kwan bi the prophet Adona e be say hye abi
odi for me da se busia odi for ene de na no bi sema etwa to atudwa no se yemfa ye ni hu edoso e chenye di ye ni ehuwe e prophet Adona na sema etwa to e bia numbers na wo boy no wait me antra e be say the number no at screen no so ama what me afodi for now no abo enkomo all the social media handles no too much gh or subscribe like no share na for so e be share message so be your comment so our comment section go edit ama me dey edit that good makram